I remember driving down I-70 to work without a single car on the road at 8 o'clock in the morning.
It was a ghost town. There were many days where we would hardly even see any people downtown.
Before COVIDCheck came into existence, Colorado was in a tough spot. We were 49th out of 50 states in per capita testing.
We started COVIDCheck Colorado because we looked out at the moment of the pandemic. We had 500,000 Coloradans out of work, and we had 1 million students out of school. And we knew the only way to actually get kids back to school and to help get businesses open again was to make sure people could get access to regular, affordable, accessible, asymptomatic testing.
COVIDCheck Colorado got out of the gate fast. Their high visibility and their excellent marketing made it really easy for people to spontaneously run into the opportunity to get tested.
Gary Community Ventures, we incubated and grew COVIDCheck.
We went from having 5 people on our team in April of 2020 to having 1,500 on our team in April of 2021.
We think whenever you want to solve a really hard problem, no silo can do it alone. So you need philanthropy, you need policy, you need business, and often government actors all partnering together to pull something off. And this is where the Downtown Denver Partnership and the mayor really led on saying, could you help us make sure we could make testing sites and vaccination sites available throughout downtown Denver?
If you've ever walked around downtown, you've probably seen the colorful COVIDCheck signs and booths and stations and the nurses that are in those stations.
Folks would see a tent, a friendly team of clinicians, and an ability to get in and out quickly with the care and service they needed. After several months of scaling a statewide testing network, we assigned ourselves the job of being one of the few organizations in the country outside of the traditional health system that was going to do both COVID-19 testing and vaccination at scale.
We will this week have now passed over 1 million tests we've delivered to Coloradans and more than 300,000 vaccinations.
Denver is one of the leading cities in the country on vaccination rates, and so is Colorado. And when you think about that, it's helped us recover faster economically.
We are seeing an increase in population downtown exponentially. Every day our pedestrian counts go up. They are visitors, they are residents getting out and about, their employees returning back to their places of work.
And I think COVIDCheck's been a key contributor to helping get that traffic back to a normal or close to a normal sense from what we were experiencing before COVID.
The thing that was missing the most was trust. Trust in each other, trust in information, trust in government actors. And through the partnerships we were able to build and participate in, we were able to build that sense of trust in our community. And so when folks hear that I work at COVIDCheck and their face lights up, that's a sign to me that we succeeded on one of the most difficult elements of public health, which is building the partnerships that allow your neighbor to trust that they're going to be well taken care of.
I took my own kids to get vaccinated from a COVIDCheck site, and one of our staff members was there vaccinating my kids, and I started crying and wanted to give her a big hug, which I couldn't, but she kind of smiled and said, yeah, I get that a lot.